Well, on the bright side, di ko na kailangan labanan yung buhaya dito. Kasi, pinatay ko siya sa side A eh.
Actually, may darating pa na buhaya to.
Kailan pa naging dalawang buhaya dito?
Takin na, infinite ammo!
Bumili ka nila sa Cyberman.
Takin na, Cyberman na naman. Cyberman!
Cyberman!
After those 3 gunpowders.
Oh.
Sabihin mo naman, gas powder ah.
Worst batter sa baseball pero best sa bowling. Yep, bowling. What? Ay, ginawa ko ng punch out eh.
Okay, yan, inactivate ko na.
Yun na, tas nakita ako nun. Are you serious? Are you serious? Ano? Dati sa dati great.
Sa Trilogy. Meron na ako niyan ni Muel. I have those games. Hindi ko kailangan ng subscription. I hate racing!
Papalog siya? Pues, bring it on!
Bring it. Gusto niyo lumaban?
Oh!
Don't make my day.
Yan. Oh. What the fuck? Ano yun? Wait nga lang.
Should take care of it.
Just play Barnyard and you'll be happy. Oh. Ginawa ka dyan, di mo nga nilalaro, nilaro ko yung Muppets mo. Tapos ikaw, di mo malaro Barnyard ko. Naya.
Ako si John Wick.
Yung ano, yeah. Tumahan din sa amin yung dati, si John Wick. Ano?
Well, pero first thing yun, dito sa live stream ko. Subscribe ka. Wag mo i-suggest mo lang mga ganyan. I've been there before. Hindi ako nagsasubscribe sa Game Pass. Halo baka mo na meron akong Halo.
See if you can find any other clues. I'll be
Pero mas maganda yung Chris, stop it.
This is not Chris's blood.
Chris, stop it. Ay, parang inasar pa niya si, ano, no, si Albert Wesker, no? Chris,
They
stop
say-
it.
He was sleeping. Okay. Now, let's go for raid, mga kaibigan. Hanap tayo ng gising na streamer dito. Oh, gising pa ba to? Ah, to! I hope this is a checkpoint. But if not, you gotta be kidding me! Ah, ito yung mga ano, yung mga sundalo ng umbrella. Where's the fourth one? Ah, so, don't tell me babalik pa ako ng Norfair. Okay, malapit lang. Yeah, do that.
Tapos kung hindi ka naman mag-stealth, pangit ka naman ang prank. Saan naman lang ano eh. Puso ko itong sa'yo. Puta edang yan.
Ay, putek.
Visit na yan.
Boo! Oh, boo daw, sabi ni Johannes. Oh, boo!
Sayang. Tagyan na. Shut up!
Boo daw, sabi ni...
Mario, I'm gonna stop you, you spaceman.
Uh-oh, here we go again. First is this one. Bodies in the white. Bodies in the wind. Ooh. Shucks, di mo sila.
Ginagawa mo. Bumaril ka sa tali, warning ka.
Parang ako lang.
Yung kailangan ko. And I'm all good. We will play this game for just an hour. Or two. But if someone raided me, I have to extend a little.
That's right, tama nga pala, may shade pala.
Tapos ko na yung Metroid Zero Mission. Oh my God, it feels so good natapos din. Teka. Okay. Ayan ulit. Ayan o. What? Text nagre-respond. Oh my God. Better be prepared, Dan.
Oh
Kaya
shit,
yan,
grabe pinatay.
ihahalo mo din
Grabe
naman yung
pinatay
dalawang
sa tao.
ulo. Oh yeah, I know.
Grabe yung ginawa sa mga tao dito. Holy shit.
Oh my God. Nothing's changed. They played Luigi. Luigi meets Luigi. Oh, okay. They are not Mario Brothers for nothing, to be honest. Na akong hilig sa handgun eh, pero sige.
Quick ang putyang. Ang anong drama yun? Uy.
Wala na. Ay, Gcash? Bakit?
Human with skill issue.
Bakit ka?
After those 3 gunpowders,
Oh.
pasabihin mo naman, gas powder ah.
Worst batter sa baseball pero best sa bowling. Yep, bowling. What?
No way! GBA laro ko, wala. Imposible to. My God!
Tail virus, ba't ka pa nagkaroon ng tail virus? Pang bullshit virus. You and your stupid clubs can go fucking piss on each other and fuck you to Wesker. Putang ina. Ay, nako.
Oh, hindi, maganda yan. Simple lang pare. Hindi siya yung ano. Oh.
Total, nandiyan naman yung written ano eh. Or baka tanggalin ko na rin siguro yung...
Pwede mo rin pala
Saan kaya ito pumunta? Wait, what's this?
Yeah!
Sa dulo.
Hindi ko alam.
At this rate, wala na akong dapat balikan. Patanan bago matulog ko. Thanks.
How am I supposed to live without you?
You sound like why ain't nothing. Back.
what everybody wants.
Ano? Shit. Anong do the rock what everybody wants? Ano ibig sabihin?
Tingnan natin kung kaya ko sila. Okay, may... Ring the bell.
What the fuck? That's a miracle. Napaka-miraculous na. Ako Huwebes. Nagsabi na ako.
No! I hate birds! Ay, loko ka.
Wala kong crash bash yung nilalaro mo dati. Naalala ko yung isang boss.
It's all or nothing. Bot after recharge. Extra lives for now. I don't know if I can get used to this or I press Y. My good.
Serious?
sa streamer na i-raid. Here's the raid command, mga kaibigan. And here's the raid command for those who subscribe my channel. Please standby sa streamer na i-raid ko. Okay, ganito na lang. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you next time. Goodbye and God bless, and good night. I don't know if I can get used to this or I press Y. My good. You gotta be kidding me! Sa mga viewers, pagpasensyahan nyo na po sa gagawin ko, ha. Yan, okay. Nice.
Company who made the Souls game. Ano to? Anong magandang ulam para sa poison rice? The Antidote Chicken, yun.
Oh!
I want to...
Malakas yan si Nikon J.
Oh my God, really, Phil? Really? You just have to... What the fuck? Why?
Ay, hindi na ako. Hindi. Ito yung daan ng pababa eh. Huwag na. Galing na ako dito eh.
Bakit? Ano na daw
I don't
yun?
need it. Huwag mo na basahin, napakaba ng comment.
Wait!
Sige,
Hey,
hold on.
no, wait!
Okay. Kakat ko lang itong kinain.
Wow. Wow, Crimson Veil. Your sound, the sound word. Okay. And I'm back, guys. Come and get me!
Suck, suck. Ew, you like to suck. Saksakan iba yata yung
I'm the suck-suck
saksakan
expert.
na wala nang ganun.
Hindi nag-live si Derek, no? Happened to him.
Hindi mo na. Ay, main chips.
Kunin ko yung flame rounds dito. Wait. Sa Magnum to. Okay. Mali akala ko sa machine gun. Wow, RE1 naman. Balik RE1 ulit ako. Pero si Jill ang gagamitin ko.
Wait, ano to?
Jill is now the master of unlocking.
Hey, Carlos! Ay, paano Carlos?
Ako na. Tago ko muna to. Then save muna. Baka mamaya magpakita yung si Mr. X eh. I think I may consider to finish this game. Even if it's very short. If it's okay with you. Or share it. Nah, you're good, fam. Thank you. Those buttons will be the guide. Ni the next decade.
Kiss Nemesis ang putya. Oh my.
Okay, good. Oh my god. Diyos, ano meron?
Nag-uulat sa inyo.
Ginagawa mo naman pakla yung akin eh.
Hindi. Yung ganun, di ba ganun ka nga talaga?
Bizarre murder
Ano ka ba?
cases have recently
Bakit feeling ko gagawan tayo ni Julius ng impressions bago matapos ang taon?
Ay, shucks! Sige.
Kayahin niya lahat sa mga...
expect what's to be expected.
Okay. At least nakakuha ako ng isa pang chest plug.
You don't want me to get Grandmaster? Just gonna kick your ass.
If I'm going to lose, I have to grab that mushroom. Of course, Luigi doesn't recognize Mario as gold. Okay. Hindi siya mabasag ng missile o ano pa man. O umalis. Hanap tayo ng mariray dito. Sino kaya ang gising dito? Okay. Wala mo na alas ha. Muna tayo magre-raid.
Are you telling me that he injected the G-Virus into his own body?
YOLO!
Hey! Bro, you're looking for power stars, right? Let me help. I think you have missed one. You go again.
Lapit ka. Lapit ka! Marlene Reynes, boo!
Kahit hindi ko kilala. Kanina, natawa ako doon sa...
Marlene Reynes ang hanep. Sino nagsabi niyan?
Si Reikyo. RE2. Ay, RE3.
Incy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Oh! It's a good thing you have that. Does it contain the DLC? MK9? Wow. I had an idea. Why don't you go out there and find your mother customs? The girl and Noma fixed a rusty spaceship and then the two set sail into the starship. And this is how the kitchen area clear. Nope. I have a question. Who designed this level? Is it Miyamoto? Anak ni Mayor. Tapos yun, sabi, akala ni Derek.
Hindi ba ito yung part na, pag binuksan ko, ano yan?
Sabi niya, akala ni Derek kagabi, dumating yung GPU ko, di pa, baka sa Wednesday to Friday pa yun.
Oh, putang inang yan, gago kayo.
Walang hiya nyo.
Teka lang.
Pero malay mo, Closet Rocker, may Gatling gun ako pag na laro ko ng maraming beses yung Mercenaries.
Alright, Mr. Samurai.
Balik Resident Evil. I-activate ko muna yung ito. Okay. Ay! Ay! Hindi mo pa nalaro to. Ready? And... Fire! Teka lang guys ha. Malaki bawas. And there goes the gas station. At in that situation, hindi makaka-survive si
Wala
Nicolay
akong
yan.
maintindihan sa daanan dito. Never mind.
Medyo sa ulo ko na tong mapang to eh. Wow. I'll go for Leon B. Also, upstream highlights. I managed to clear Leon A with a Konami code, and it works. I still...
Okay.
Here comes a new follower.
Oh! Then to the dice, that's to the here for a quick yo. Yo, Ruby! Thanks for dropping by and welcome to Twitch!
Kasi, after nung sa watch sa water tower,
Mali. Oh, please. Please. Patience is the key. Patience is the key.